So the woodpecker from Jxe Jxo, it's not a bad axe. For a throwing axe, I think it's a little thick. They should slim these down a little bit. But I've been beating on it for a little bit. You can see, just getting the hang of it, and nothing's messed up, nothing has come loose. So, not too bad. Like I said, I would slim up the profile a bit because it looks like you'll be splitting a lot of targets with this. But for throwing, especially two-handed, it's a monster. It does its job. Thanks for watching.